In this video, we will show you how to replace your front grille bracket on this Dodge Ram. This will be located directly behind your front grille. Let's get into it. Let's lift the hood so we can gain access to the back side of the grille. Let's start removing the hood release handle from the grille mounting bracket. You'll find that you have two 8mm headed bolts holding this in place. There's one. There's our second one. Now that I have both of those out of there, we'll come around the back side of this and remove this 8mm headed mounting bolt. Now we can swing this down and out of our way. Now with that out of the way, we can start dismounting the grille from the bracket. We'll start in the center since that's where we're at. 8mm headed bolt holding this in place. A quick note, while doing this bracket, it is common for the grille to break on you when you are trying to remove it from the bracket. Along each side of the grille assembly, you should find that you have two 8mm headed bolts holding the grille to the bracket. Ours are broken. We'll remove the one that is here. Just going to hold on to the metal clip with some locking pliers. We'll continue with our 8mm to remove the mounting bolt. We'll do the same on the other side. Let's make our way up here. You'll find that you have several mounting nuts that make their way all the way across. 8mm mounting nuts holding this in place. Alright, so that stud right there stripped out in the grille. Should be another one over here. As you can tell, all of ours are pretty much broken. Now we can remove the grille. Now we can continue on to removing the bracket from the hood. You'll find that you have six 8mm headed mounting bolts holding it in place. We'll save the two in the center for last and make our way down to the far end here. Last one, we'll make sure we're holding onto that bracket. Now we can remove it from the vehicle. There it is, friends. All right, let's get ready to install that brand new grille mounting bracket. We'll take this and get it in the proper position, start in our mounting bolts, and then we can snug them up. Make our way down here. Now that we have all 6 of these started in, snug them up. Now we can prepare to install our grill. You'll find along the hood you have the several holes where each of the studs need to line up with. Let's take that grill and put it in place. Get this lined up. There we are. Now we can start on our mounting nuts. Now we can tighten each one of these mounting nuts. Now we can put in all 4 of our mounting bolts for this. You want to make sure you start each of them in by hand. Now that I have this side started in, I'll snug them up and do the exact same thing on the other side of the grill. Let's get this center one in here. Now we can install our hood release handle down along the bottom here. Sometimes getting these screws started in is a little bit difficult. Okay friends, we fully installed our grill bracket behind the grill. At this point, you just want to close the hood and make sure everything's nice and secure. Thanks for watching.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.